Alright, video vlog check everybody. Adriel here. We're here sa Bandang Ortigas sa Ecomax showroom. At behind me is the Tesla Cybertruck na ia-award ni Honor Philippines doon sa grand winner. Na-test yung babae na taga Novaliches na siya yung nanalo sa grand raffle draw dahil bumili siya ng Honor X90 5G at ni-raffle off ni Honor Philippines. At ito yung kanilang grand prize. Tesla Cybertruck na worth ilang million to? 4 million ba? Ganun katindi ang presyo ng Tesla Cybertruck. So watch this video at feeling ko baka ma-meet natin yung owner nitong nanalo ng Tesla Cybertruck here sa promo ni Honor Philippines. Alright, watch this video and let's have a closer look of the Tesla Cybertruck. Alright, let's do this. Kasi naalala no, yung nakarang event ni Honor Philippines with the smash and drop test ng Honor X90. Ini-smash namin yung Honor X90 sa Tesla. Hindi ito yun kasi makinis, it's very brand new. Hindi ito yung unit na ginamit namin na pang smash test. This is brand new. Ang team. Saan na kaya yung lumang ginamit nila? Alright guys, let's have a closer look of the Tesla Cybertruck. Kung saan ia-award mamaya doon sa new owner na to na kung saan nanalo sa raffle. Let's check it out yun. Let's have a closer look. Check it out yun. Ganda ng Cybertruck. Ilaw pa lang At yung kanyang wiper, ang laki. Very super secured to, no? Hindi ko nga maalala kung paano ito binubuksan And also, di pa ako nakakasakay dito. Well, upo-upo lang, pero yung driving mode hindi pa. So check natin. Oh, kitang-kita dito yung tablet is mayroon pang sticker. So it's really brand new. It is really brand new. Ganda, grabe. Biro niyo, bumili lang yung winner ng Honor X90 smartphone, At eto, nanalo siya ng Tesla Cybertruck. Very awesome. Very awesome. This is a closer look, para at least naka-encounter ulit tayo ng Tesla Cybertruck. Kasi very unique to, Kasi usually si Tesla hindi nagbebenta ng ganito unless you buy it direct Parang ganun no? Grabe. Alright, the event will start in a few minutes at abangan natin yung next na mangyari. Alright.
An event and kagagaling lang natin ng event no Tuesday and then you're here. So we would just like to thank you for joining us today.
Possible without your help, of course. Before we start our festivities, allow me to first acknowledge the presence of our esteemed guys. We got a lot of announcement namin na pre-orders ng Honor X90 Tesla Cybertruck na ito. We also got to see performances ng very diverse and different. Kasi marami tayong nababasa mga speculations sa ating social media na hindi naman totoo na magpaparaffle kayo ng Tesla Cybertruck. But here we are! Totoo po talaga siya. Ladies and gentlemen, I am honored to introduce to you the grand winner of our Honor X90 Tesla Cybertruck giveaway raffle. Please welcome here on stage with a big round of applause, Miss Laurelyn Pelonia.
Thank you so much. The biggest raffle draw of any smartphone brand is now awarded to Miss Laurelyn Pelonia. So ma'am, congratulations to your Honor X90 5G kasi ang iyong smartphone ay now isang Tesla Cybertruck. So with that, ma'am,
Hindi ko maintindihan yung nararamdaman ko kasi medyo shock ka. Hindi pa nagsisingin talaga sa akin.
alright, so honestly guys, just to give you some quick backstory, even me yung tinawagan ko po si Miss Laurelyn Pelonia to verify and also validate that she won. Talagang hindi siya makapagsalita. Ang sabi niya lang, ma'am, kayo po yung winner ng Honor X90 win a Tesla Cybertruck promo. Akala niya scam na tawag, di ba, ma'am? Kaya that's why ang
Yung pagmamayari ng Honor Tesla Cybertruck. Pwede naman, mga story, sasamahan pa kita. Sige po, ikutin po natin. Ayan. Hawakan niyo po, Miss Lori. Ano pong nararamdaman niyo? Good spirit? Challenge. Ano pong feeling na talagang nakikita ng lahat ng senses niyo? Itong napanalunan niyo.
Siyempre overwhelmed kasi sa dami-dami ng brand, smartphone, kayo lang yung nakagawa ng ganito na magparami ng ganito sa sakit.
Yes, and that is because of the support na nakukuha